Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to program your Nissan Armada garage door opener. This integrated home link system allows you to conveniently control your garage door, security gates, and even home lighting directly from your vehicle. We will go through the steps for clearing any existing memory, programming with your handheld remote, and synchronizing with rolling code garage door openers. Let's get started and make your daily routine a little easier. Before programming a new device, it is important to clear any existing memory from your home link system. To do this, locate the 3 home link buttons, usually found on your rearview mirror. Now, press and hold the 2 outer buttons at the same time. Keep holding them until the indicator light, typically a small LED, begins to flash rapidly. Once it flashes quickly, you can release both buttons. Your home link system is now cleared and ready for new programming. Now, let's program your home link with your handheld remote. First, position your garage door remote 1 to 3 inches away from the home link buttons in your Armada. Next, simultaneously press and hold the home link button you wish to program and the button on your handheld remote. Continue holding both buttons until the home link indicator light changes from a slow, steady flash to a rapid, quick flash. Once it flashes rapidly, you can release both buttons. This step programs the basic signal. Many modern garage door openers use rolling codes, requiring an extra synchronization step. After programming with your handheld remote, go to your garage door opener motor unit. Locate and press the Learn or Smart button. It's usually near the antenna wire. You will have approximately 30 seconds to complete the next step. Quickly return to your Armada and firmly press the home link button you just programmed for at least 2 seconds. You may need to repeat this press and release sequence 2 or 3 times for successful synchronization. Your garage door should now operate.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.